In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived project in HoneyBook. If you've archived a project to keep your workspace organized and now need to bring it back into your active pipeline, the process is straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can restore the project and make sure it appears in the right stage again. Start by logging into your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This will take you to your Projects board, where you can view all of your current work and navigate between different project stages. From there, open the Archived Projects view by selecting the archived stage. This section is where HoneyBook stores projects that are no longer active but haven't been deleted. If you have a lot of archived items, take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific project you want to restore. When you find the correct project, click the project name to open it. This will bring you into the project details, where you can access the settings or stage options. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a project settings menu or a stage field that allows you to update the project status. Once you're in the right area, change the project stage from archived to an active stage. For example, you might move it to kickoff, onboarding, planning, or another stage that makes sense for your workflow. The key here is to choose the stage where the project should continue from, so it reappears in the right part of your process. If HoneyBook prompts you to save the change, go ahead and save it. This confirms the update and moves the project out of the archive section. After that, return to the projects board and confirm that the project has been removed from the archive stage. Then check the active stage you selected and verify that the restored project now appears there. This final check is helpful because it ensures the project is not only unarchived but also placed exactly where you expect it to be. And that's it. Restoring an archived project in HoneyBook is really just a matter of reopening the project, updating its stage, and confirming that it's back in your active workflow. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the move can help prevent confusion later, especially if you're managing multiple projects at once. Thanks for watching.